The Chinese system of numeration was also a base 10 system. They had symbols for 10, 100, 1,000, even a symbol for 10,000. The Chinese system was a multiplicative system rather than an additive or repetitive system. So rather than repeating a power of 10 a specific number of times, they used a multiplier from 1 to 9 to indicate the number of times the power of 10 was to be used. So using a vertical format, they placed the multiplier on top of the symbol for the power of 10. So for example, if you wanted to represent the number 40 using the Chinese system of numeration, we place the symbol for 4, because that tells us how many, over the symbol for 10, that tells us what. So the symbol for 4 over the symbol for 10. So let's consider the following Chinese numeral. The symbols come in pairs. Okay, multiplier over value symbol. So that first pair, the multiplier is 5. That tells us how many we want. Directly underneath it is the value symbol. That tells us what we want. Well, we want 5 hundredths. That tells us to multiply 5 times 100, or 500. The next pair tells us we want 2 tenths. So that's 2 times 10, or 20. Now in the ones position, we use just the multiplier, so just the 7. So 500 plus 20 plus 7 is 527. Now to convert the Hindu-Arabic numeral, say 5,087, to a Chinese numeral, I'll expand it, but going down this time. So I have 5,000, like no hundreds, 80, and 7. So for 5,000, I'm going to want 5 thousands. So the symbol for 5, symbol for 1,000. Now, I don't have any hundreds, so I'm going to use their 0 symbol. That 0 symbol really represents the fact that there's at least one pair missing. So we wouldn't use more than one of those in a succession, even if there were no hundreds and no tens. It just says, it's like kind of a heads up. Now 80, I'll represent that as a pair of symbols. I need 8 of the symbol for 10. So there's the 8. Rather than repeating it 8 times, I just use the symbol for 8. And then 10. When we get to the ones position, I just use the multiplier. So just the multiplier for 7.